On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Let's take a cruise out to the beach with the RPS Cruiser 300, which apparently they're sold out. Abnormal tire pressure, 20 psi. I better check that. Front is 20. I guess I better pump them up. Don't want abnormal wear on the tires. Take me to Fort Island Beach. May want to go our own way, but looks like high tide.
Kicks up as the throttle winds, Vin Cheezel's out where the blacktop dies. Got a GoPro rolling and a mind full of dreams, ripping down trails, hear that small engine scream. No city lights, just the stars and trees, with a pocket full of tools and elbow grease. A MotoCheez man built from bolts and pride, taking the long way, enjoying the ride. He's riding those backcountry roads where the signal's gone, but the freedom flows with a motor brother. Singing low and his heart riding high, kicking up gravel under big blue sky. Yeah, Vin Cheezel don't need no map, just a throttle twist and a gear to slap. He's rolling through life on two-wheel time, backcountry roads in a state of mind. Stickers on the tank, stories in the paint. Ain't trying to be pretty, just real and quaint. He'll wrench it in the shed till the sun goes down, then light it up and head back out of town. From dirt lane curves to old steel bridges, riding solo through them country ridges. He ain't just riding, he's telling his truth, one carb at a time since he was a youth. He's riding those back country roads where the signal's gone but the freedom flows, with a motor singing low and his heart riding high, kicking up gravel under big blue sky. Yeah, Vin Diesel don't need no map, just a throttle twist and a gear to slap. He's rolling through life on two-wheel time, back country roads and a state of mind. Ain't about speed, it's the peace he finds in the hum of the chain and the rise of the pines. YouTube fame never changed that grin, still the same Cheezel from way back when. Yeah, he's riding those back country roads with an open heart where the wild wind blows. Got oil on his hands and the sky up above, feeling that engine, feeling that love. No Vin Diesel don't ride for fame, it's the back road life running through his veins, forever rolling where the good times hide, back country roads and that MotoCheez ride. Ain't nothing like a good bike, a bad road, and a quiet mind.
I looked up why this wasn't being done, and I guess they are doing it, but they're making it engineered better, so it's going to take some time. See those cameras up there? They see you're towing a boat and you're not registered, pay the fee, they'll send you a fee through the mail. Kind of like those flock cameras. I don't like that stuff. Quite a few people on the beach. Maybe I'll go kayaking tomorrow morning. No one at the boat launch. Nobody. Couple people still out though. That's that stupid chain. Oh, brother. Keep it on the road. the heck? That's the guy that backed out in front of me. Think he had a few too many cocktails? It's definitely the chain making that noise. I remember when I first put it on, it was that close. Just have to take the cover off and grind it. That's crazy. They're gonna put more hotels right in there, huh? Wow. I'm gonna leave this right here. So I fixed that chain tomorrow, or the guard. Thanks for riding along. You guys are great company.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.